What's up, guys? We got a 2023 Ram 2500. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So basically what happens to this truck, if I bang on the window or break the lock, destroy the whole truck with a baseball bat, as long as I don't open any doors, nothing's gonna happen. That's exactly what they did. They busted the rear window and they took the guy's laptop and his gun. So he ended up giving us a call, so we installed the shock sensor to the factory alarm. Now if I bang on the window, now it's gonna set off. Okay. Yeah, this truck is really nice. It's got the remote start as well. This is from factory. We didn't install this. This remote start is from factory. It also has the, when you press this twice, it opens up the tailgate, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. That came from factory. I didn't install that remote start. But if somebody has this truck from factory, it didn't come with a remote start, you can always give us a call as well, and we can add the remote start to your factory alarm as well. This alarm was, this shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is on 2023 Ram 2500. Look how nice this truck is. Big screen. Did a lot of improvements from the older models. So yeah, they didn't change anything much from the 2021, 22, and 23. They're having very minor little stuff to change. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. This is for the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. And we thank you for watching this video.